Today is going to be a day of giving. I was asked the other day in a rehearsal if I had some time to go over to a man's house and help with some drywall. That's the way it was put. A friend of a friend of a friend was diagnosed, unfortunately, with cancer. And he's a tradesman. He's a man who knows what he's doing with his hands and some tools, but he needed a little help in putting his house together. So we're gonna go over and help him out with some drywall. I'm so very fortunate to be able to give, and later on tonight I'm gifting a DJ. I'm gonna be a gifting DJ, so that'll be kind of cool. But I'm not the greatest when it comes to being a construction worker or any of that kind of stuff. I do have a little bit of experience, but from what I understand, there's going to be some tradesmen there who actually know what they're doing, as well as some lay people who are going to be there for basic labor. I'll be there for basic labor. I'm taking my dog with me because my wife said, get that dog out of the house, take her with you. So me and Nova are hanging out today. So I'm going to take you along the way and just kind of show you what's going on. Well, that was fun. I got a chance to help. All I did was help load some drywall out of a van up to the second floor. I did a little bit of sweeping, and that was about it. The guys, they definitely have everything on point. I gotta wait for some pictures before I put together this video because I wasn't there the whole day, I'm sorry. But I think they're gonna wind up doing this over the weekend. And tonight I have a gig somewhere else with another band, so I'm not going to be there. But I felt very, very humbled to be able to help out just a little bit. And to the other guys who were there, I want to say thank you, because you guys showed much love in dedicating your time and your energy to helping someone else. And that's kind of what I think everybody should do. So, well, this wasn't an audio thing or a sound thing at all, but it was another place where I found myself. Thanks a lot for watching. I appreciate you guys checking out these videos. If you like what you see, make sure to comment, like, share. Thanks for watching. See you at the next gig. Bye.